Okay, let's take another example. So this was actually, I already explained variables. So this was related to variable, like what is a variable. So variable is nothing but a name of a key. You can say this age, you can treat it, I mean, you can say it as a key, as a variable, or as a key who has a value 40. So what what we are trying to do here is, we are telling Python, I have a variable which has a name age and whose value is 40. So right now 40 is an integer. It So this value can be an integer, can be a string, can be a float. Okay, so if you say, Kapil, give you an example of string. So this is an example of a string. Whenever you are representing a string, okay, string means a word, English word. Whenever you want to represent something as a string, you have to give it in a quotes, okay, double quotes. So in this line, what I'm telling, age is 40 and 40 is an integer value. And in this line, what I'm telling, name has a string value whose value is Kapil. Okay. And right now, if I do this, I mean, it will not print anything because I haven't used print in this. Okay. If I use print, I can get these values.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.